Now we in a village. I'm gonna show you this village. Really, it's an incredible village. Really, this weather, it's so incredible. This year, it's so incredible. And this smell is so incredible. If you came here, really, it's so incredible. And we're showing there is lots of boat. We are waiting for cross this area. I'm gonna show you a tree. It's called chili. It's called chili. Please zoom in here. It's called chili. Chili. It's so spicy. It's so spicy. Really, I'm not gonna eat it. It's so spicy. Okay. And here is a popcorn tree. It's called popcorn tree. Please show them. Okay, it's called popcorn tree. And please come here. It's all land here. Chili. Here is all chili. Look here. It's all chili. I'm gonna show you another tree. It's a vegetable. Okay. It's called onion. Okay, here is onion. Please show there. It's called onion. Okay, onion tree. And I'm gonna show you another tree. Okay, the chili is black. It's black. It's show here. It's black side. Maybe here is a disease. Okay. Here is lots of boats. Lots of boat. Okay, I'm gonna show you how a boat driver drive it. Okay, please put on here. Okay, come with me. Okay, please come with me. Here is a machine. Okay, here is a machine, and here is the main thing. Lots of students. Lots of students go college or school through this boat. Okay, and only 30 taka they will pay every day. Okay, I'm gonna show you another thing. It's a fan, kind of fan. When through this fan, this propeller go. If you wanna watch this area, please come here. It's called Tengrakandi Chor. So incredible place. I told you this weather is so incredible, and uh, soil, this village soil, and weathers, and years. It's so incredible. Okay, thank you so much.